Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Jamie. I'm 52 years old, and I'm on a journey to get caught up on everything. So if you had been following my journey throughout the years, you would see how 2024 has just disrupted my life. I had to quit my job and file up on disability. And I finally did get approved for it. I have a lot of back problems, PTSD, anxiety, depression. My back is the main concern right now. We're trying to get it worked out to where I can have surgery done and get it fixed. But I wanted to show you all how I'm planning on getting back in line, back on track. So I went last night through all of the Etsy orders and downloads that I have done throughout the last three or 4 years. And I'm trying to come up with a plan. I'm not for sure if this is going to work, but I'm going to ease into it. So here we go. So this right here came from the Budget Mom. It's a printable download that I did a while back. And then this right here was a financial planner that I had got off Etsy a long time ago. And this is another printable off of the Budget Mom. So it is the paycheck bill tracker and how we're going to do it. This is for December. December, I will follow you all along and let you see. And then this was also a page out of the financial planner. So I just put this behind here. That way I could keep up with my expenses that I have done through the account. Hi, Miss Luna. Good morning. Well, that was odd. She's got the fuzzy tail. She's after something today. Sorry for the camera shaking, guys. So this is going to be how I keep up with my expenses. Everything that I use usually comes out of here, except for the cash envelopes that I usually have. And I am definitely going to try to keep up with that. And then, of course, you know, there's 5 of these in here. So this is starting out for December. January, we are going to start with the 52-week savings challenge tracker. And then I'm going to start keeping up with my house repayment, my car repayment, doctor bills, and then we're going to jump into January. The reason why I wanted it 3-hole punch is that way I can take these and move them over to like February. So the cats are playing this morning. They must have got into their catnip toys or something. They're crazy. So it's just going to follow out the same with the monthly bill tracker for January. And then, you know, these little pages here until we get all the way through. The reason why I'm keeping extra one of these income tracker in is because my husband is trying to do part-time work. His depression got really, really bad, guys. And the doctor told him, said, hey, why don't you see if you can just get out of the house for a few hours a day. You know, just get out and do something. So he is trying to do better because, you know, this economy has just really ripped everybody apart. It just seemed like 2024 was supposed to be the year for everything, and then it was just like the year fell apart. So anyway, this is going to go all the way back. You know, I broke them down in like quarters, but I wanted to start it out. These are some savings challenges that I have gotten for free. This came from Lisa over at Lisa Grateful Me. I do have some of these back here. This one was another freebie from Lisa. This one right here is from Amanda's Budgets. well, it was Amanda's budgets. Now it's Life Unfiltered. There we go. And then, of course, in here, over here in this one that I just took out, guys, I did keep it. It says doctor bills, but it's not. The year that I got monetized January 2023. And then here is 2025 challenge. I thought about starting this one too. And then this 2025 is budgeting for me. It was on Etsy. So I did get this one. I may start this one in 2025 just to try to save a little bit more. And then, you know, with Christmas savings, and this one's all thing Kimberly's. This one was a clean sweep. I'm thinking about doing this one for like sinking funds. This is ones that I had finished over the years, and I just wanted to keep it all together and give you a show of what I'm planning on doing this year. So hopefully, guys, we can get this started in December. And the thing about it is it was stuff that I'd already had downloaded, and I just wanted to try something different and see if this works for me. So, guys, hang around with me. Thank you for sticking with me. I hope everybody has a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will catch you all in the next video. Remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.